Hi guys, it's Gaz here. Welcome to the Gaz World channel. I'm just doing a very short video on this PUIG touring screen, which is a fully adjustable. I just thought I'd show it you guys in case you wanted it for your Mt09. If you look closely here, I've put some dark smoke tint on there. They're near enough see-through, but I just thought I'd make it look better. Like I say, it's PUIG screen. I'll just show you the fully adjustable side. As you can see, you've got your slider. It's just a case of you can drop it down. These aren't cheap, but if you're wanting good wind resistance to keep your Mt09, instead of upgrading to trace, it does help. Like I say, you can fully adjustable, put it right up to the top. There you go. Depends on personal preference, but if you're on motorway, it does help to flick the wind over your head. Well, top of your helmet, shall we say, so it saves it in your face. But generally, as I said, they're not cheap, but does the job. I've been Gaz World. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.